Hey guys, Girl Lexi coming at you, and today I'm going to be trying this Charleston chew. I never had it before, and I'm also going to be trying this Jamaican cola champagne that I also never tried before. So which one should I have first? This one, or this one, this one, this one. I'll go with this one. Then I can wash the drink. Then I can wash this down with the drink. Okay. Open. Okay. So, it's like a long stick. This one is. But if you get the small size, I think it'll be like half the size. But yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to take this whole thing out and go. No, Chrissy. Wow. Just a little marshmallow. It's a lot chewier than I thought. Before I drop it. Okay. So, yeah. And I'm going to open my drink. Okay, see all the bubbles coming up? Tastes good. Of course it's not champagne, but it's like soda. Tastes like cola with a little bit of orange to it. That's what it tastes like. But yeah. But yeah. So talk to you later, guys. Bye. Bye, Grandma.